my friends, Ellen here. Welcome back to my southern kitchen. Hope all you doing well and staying safe and healthy. It's the summertime and you know what that means, peach season. So today I'm going to share with all of y'all a peach pie using fresh peaches. And my friends, it is so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious and it's going to be full of peach goodness. Everybody's going to fall in love with this. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my pie recipes playlist and my previous video, 3-ingredient buttermilk biscuits. I'll post a link to all of those down below in the description box. So put on your apron, grab your pie crust and your fresh peaches sugar because we're about to bake some peach pie magic in my southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, the first step we're going to do is prep the peaches. I have 3 pounds of beautiful fresh yellow peaches. We're going to peel them, remove the pit, and cut to about a 1/2-inch slice. Alright, I got my peach slice and I put them in my bowl. Now it's time to add in the rest of the ingredients. To our peaches, we're going to add in 2/3 of a cup of pat light brown sugar and 1/3 of a cup of white sugar. A 1/2 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 1 tablespoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and my spices, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch to help thicken, a 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a 1/4 of a teaspoon of ground nutmeg, and 1/8 of a teaspoon each, which is a pinch of salt and ground allspice. And we're going to stir all these ingredients together until they're well incorporated. It'll create a glaze. Nothing like the smell of fresh peaches. Smells good. Alright my friends, I'm through stirring up my peaches and got a nice glaze. Now we're ready to pour it into the pie crust. We're going to pour it in a 9-inch pie shell. And this is my homemade pie crust recipe. I'll post a link to that down below in the description box, or you can use a refrigerated or frozen deep dish pie crust. Make sure you thaw it. And if using homemade or a refrigerated pie crust, make sure that you grease your pie plate with butter or cooking spray so that way it won't stick. All right, let's pour the peach filling. I'm going to spread the peaches. Now we're going to add in a tablespoon of butter right on top, and I cut them into chunks. Alrighty, so now we're going to set this aside while we work on the top crust. I have placed my pie crust onto a lightly floured surface. So using my rolling pin, we're going to roll it to about a 1/2-inch thick. So using my pizza cutter, we're just going to cut the crust into strips, like so. Alright, so now we're going to take our lattice crust strips, going to place it right on top, just like that. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish putting my lettuce strips on top and I'll bring you back. Alrighty my friends, this is what the pie looked like. So now we're going to take the excess crust off using my pizza cutter. Alrighty, so now we're going to tuck the edge like so. Want to hold it tight. Alrighty, so now we're going to brush it with an egg wash, which is 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of water or milk. And this is optional. I'm just going to sprinkle a little white sugar on top. And also, we're going to add 1 tablespoon of butter right on top of the crust. And I cut them into chunks. This is also optional, but I like a nice buttery crust. Can't have too much butter, if I do say so myself. Alrighty, Mr. Peach Pie, ready to go into the oven? It's nice and hot and waiting for you. We're going to put this in the preheated 425 degree oven, and we're going to let it bake for 25 minutes. And after 25 minutes, we're going to reduce the heat to 375 and continue baking for about 30 to 35 minutes until the crust is brown and the peach filling is bubbly. Ooh, it's going to be amazing. Alright, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Southern peach pie. It smells incredible up in this kitchen. I just taken it out of the oven. So now we're going to let it rest, and then I'll fix me up a plate and I'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I fixed me up a plate, and I'm serving it with a scoop of vanilla ice cream. Doesn't that look good? And look at the peaches inside. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. The peaches is juicy and tender. And the crust is buttery. The taste of spices. This peach pie is phenomenal, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. And grab me a little ice cream. Yum-o. Peach pie-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also, hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights on Facebook or Instagram, or send me an email, ellenshomemadelelights@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. I'll see you next time. Let's eat, much love, and stay safe.